In this video, we're going to walk through how to download the Heiltsuk Unicode Keyboard on your PC. First, go to heiltsuk.arts.ubc.ca. Then, under the Tools section, click on Keyboard. On the Keyboard page, scroll down until you see Windows. Click Windows. This will download a zip folder that has all of the files you need to properly install the keyboard. Click to open the zip folder. In the zip folder, click the Heiltsuk file. Then, find the file called Setup and double-click to begin the installation. This action may trigger a security notification on your PC. It will often show up in your toolbar with a flashing blue and gold shield. Not to worry, click the blue and gold shield. This will trigger some sort of notification that you can accept to continue the process. Once you've hit Accept, a pop-up should appear saying Installation Complete. Click to close this pop-up. Now that this installation process is complete, navigate to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. You will see an icon that may say ENG for English, or it may look like a small keyboard. Click this icon to see the Heiltsuk Orthography Custom Keyboard option. It should be underneath the keyboard you're currently using. Click on it to activate it. If, for some reason, the Heiltsuk Orthography Keyboard is not showing up here, you may need to restart your computer in order to finish installing it properly. Once you've done this, you can navigate back to the Windows Updated User Guide that was downloaded at the beginning of this tutorial. In it is a PDF with instructions on how to use your new keyboard. We will also be walking through these in the next video.